Super El Niño storms are some of the most powerful weather events on Earth. They happen when the Pacific Ocean becomes much warmer than usual, changing wind and rainfall patterns. For the United States, this means more intense storms, flooding, and unusual weather from coast to coast. These storms can cause huge problems for cities, farms, and entire regions. The effects of Super El Niño storms are widespread and sometimes unpredictable. Heavy rains can cause rivers to overflow, while strong winds can damage power lines and buildings. Droughts might turn into floods, and areas unused to storms might face sudden, dangerous weather. The entire country pays attention when a Super El Niño is approaching. People and businesses in the USA must prepare for these threats. Roads can flood, crops can be ruined, and homes can be damaged. Emergency services need accurate information to keep people safe and respond quickly. Predicting these storms is not just about science, it's about saving lives. This is where next-generation technology steps in. Weather drones and artificial intelligence are changing how we watch, track, and predict Super El Niño storms. Let's look at how these new tools are making a difference. For many years, scientists have used weather balloons, satellites, and radar to track storms. Weather balloons float high into the sky, measuring temperature, humidity, and wind. Satellites give a bird's-eye view of Earth's weather from space. Radar shows rain, snow, and storm movement in real time. These tools have been very helpful, but they do have limits. Balloons can only go where the wind takes them. Satellites give big pictures, but they can't see details close to the ground. Radar works well for tracking rain, but it can't always see inside the heart of a storm, or measure what's happening above the ocean. Another challenge is that traditional tools sometimes miss fast changes in storm strength or direction. Super El Niño storms can change quickly. We need up-to-the-minute data from many locations to keep ahead. Missing even a small detail can mean the difference between a safe warning and a costly mistake. Because of these limits, scientists have turned to new technology. Drones and artificial intelligence can gather much more information and help make smarter predictions. Let's see how. Weather drones are small, flying robots packed with sensors. They can fly into storms where it is too dangerous for planes or people. Drones can soar above oceans, dive through clouds, and hover right in the path of a Super El Niño storm. One big advantage of drones is how close they can get to the action. They collect important data like wind speed, temperature, pressure, and humidity directly from the storm. Drones can fly low over the ocean, high above the clouds, or anywhere in between. This gives scientists detailed information from places we could never reach before. Drones are fast and flexible. If a storm is moving quickly, drones can chase it, fly into it, or circle around it. They can send data back in real time, so scientists see what's happening second by second. This is a huge leap forward from waiting for balloon or satellite reports. Because drones are unmanned, they can go into dangerous spots safely. This means we can learn more about the most intense parts of Super El Niño storms without putting people at risk. More data means better forecasts for everyone. Super El Niño storms bring powerful winds, heavy rain, and changing air pressure. To predict them, we need to know exactly what is happening inside the storm. Weather drones are built for just this job. They carry tiny computers and sensors to measure every detail. As a drone flies into a storm, it collects data such as wind speed, temperature, air pressure, and moisture levels. Drones can fly at different heights, building a three-dimensional picture of the storm. They can even drop small sensors called dropsons, which fall through the storm and send back more data as they go. The information drones collect is sent back to scientists on the ground in real time. This lets experts watch the storm's structure as it changes. If a storm is getting stronger or weaker, drones can catch these changes early. This helps meteorologists make faster, more accurate warnings. Drones can also fly over the ocean where most Super El Niño storms begin. Collecting data from these remote areas helps us understand how storms start and where they might go. The more we know, the better we can prepare. Collecting data is only the first step. The real challenge is making sense of all that information. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. AI is like a super smart assistant that can spot patterns in huge amounts of data much faster than any person. AI programs take the data from drones and combine it with information from satellites, radar, and weather stations. They use special algorithms to look for signs that a storm is getting stronger or changing direction. AI can even learn from past storms to predict what might happen next. By using AI, scientists can make better forecasts faster. Instead of waiting hours for models to run, AI can process new drone data in just minutes. This means warnings and updates can go out sooner, giving people more time to get ready. AI is always learning. The more data it gets, especially from new tools like drones, the smarter it becomes. This helps meteorologists spot dangers earlier and make decisions that protect lives and property. So, imagine this. There's a huge Super El Niño storm forming off the coast of California. Traditional forecasts warn of heavy rain, but honestly, no one knows exactly where or when it's going to hit hardest. That's when scientists send out a fleet of drones. These drones fly right into the heart of the storm, sending back live data about wind, rain, and temperature. As the drones gather all this information, AI jumps into action. It analyzes the fresh data and updates the models in real time. Suddenly, the AI spots a drop in air pressure, a clear sign the storm is about to get much stronger. It also figures out that the heaviest rains are likely to hit Southern California, not San Francisco as everyone first thought. Meteorologists update their warnings right away. Emergency services in the new target area get ready, moving people out of flood zones and preparing rescue teams. Thanks to drones and AI, the right people get the right warning at the right time. This new way of tracking storms. It saves time and resources, and honestly, it saves lives. The faster and more accurately we can predict a storm's path and strength, the better we can protect our communities. When a Super El Niño storm is coming, every second really counts. Drones and AI work together to give communities early warnings and detailed forecasts. This helps city leaders decide when to close roads, open shelters, or warn people to evacuate. Emergency teams also use this data to plan their response. For example, if drones show that a river is about to flood, rescue teams can get ready in the right places. Hospitals can prepare for more patients, and utility workers can get ready for power outages. Businesses and farmers benefit too. Better forecasts mean they can protect crops, close stores, or move valuable equipment out of harm's way. Even schools can decide whether to stay open or send students home safely. People trust warnings more when they're accurate, and drones and AI help make storm alerts clearer and more reliable. That means more people will listen and take action when it matters most. You know, as drones and AI get even better, storm forecasting will become more precise and even personal. In the future, we might see small drones flying across the country, sending live weather updates straight to your phone. AI could customize alerts for your street, your school, or your workplace. Scientists are busy developing smarter drones that can fly longer and collect even more data. New AI programs are learning to predict how storms interact with cities, forests, and rivers. They'll help us understand not just what a storm will do, but what its effects will be on people and the places they live. This technology could also help fight climate change. The more we know about how Super El Niño storms form and behave, the better we can prepare for a changing world. Drones and AI will give us the tools we need to adapt and protect our way of life. The next generation of weather prediction is coming fast, and it promises to make storms less mysterious and communities much safer. Super El Niño storms affect all of us, from city dwellers to farmers, from students to emergency workers. The new partnership of drones and AI isn't just a scientific breakthrough, it's a tool for everyone's safety and well-being. These technologies help us see storms more clearly, react more quickly, and stay safer in the face of nature's power. As weather becomes more unpredictable, having better tools is not just smart, it's essential. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the road, accurate forecasts can make all the difference. We all benefit when scientists, engineers, and emergency teams work together with the best tools. Supporting research into drones and AI is a way to invest in a safer future for everyone across the United States. By understanding and supporting these next-generation technologies, we can all help build a world where storms are less dangerous and surprises are fewer. That's science you can count on.